Hey, what's up guys, it's Joe here and I'm carrying on from where I left off, and in this part I'm going to be showing you how to animate it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select both of these and we're going to hit Alt and G to group them. I'm going to name it backing, and then also I'm going to drag the sweep NURBS into it like that. And the first thing we're going to animate is the backing, so we're going to check off the MoText so you can't actually see it, and then so this is our backing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to coordinates like that, and we're just going to start animating it. So I'm going to do something like that. So hopefully we'll get some nice reflections on this. So I'm just going to move it down a bit, and I'm going to hit the keyframe button. I'm going to go to 60 frames and we're going to put all of these values to 0. Make sure you're on the auto keyframe button. So I'll just play this through. See, it moves up like that, and we should get some nice reflections on this if I render it. Yeah, there's a bit of reflection there and there, and yeah, so once this has moved up like that, we've got to animate the text onto it. So I'm going to select the MoText, then go to MoGraph and Effector, and I'm going to use the step effector this time. So we're going to go to parameter, we're going to uncheck scale, I'm going to check rotation and position, and we're going to put on the position, we're going to decrease the Z position, and we're going to go to effector. I'm just going to move this up so the T actually does move. I'm just going to move it so you can't even see it on the corner of the screen like that, and we're going to add a tiny bit of rotation, not too much, and we're going to click the keyframe stopwatch button. We're going to go forward to about 70 frames, hit the auto keyframe button, and put all of these values to 0 again. As you can see, the text kind of like slams onto it like that. And then now we're going to animate this glowing border around the text. So we're going to go to the backing, going to go onto the sweep NURBS, and we're going to be animating the let's animate the end growth like that. So we're going to go to when the text hits the backing, so about 65. I'm just going to increase our timeline size here to 150 frames instead of 90. So we're going to hit the keyframe stopwatch button and go forward to about 105 frames or 100 frames. Hit the auto keyframe button and put the end growth to 100%. So now if we watch this through, you need to move this keyframe up to the point where you want your animation to start. So if I want to start at 70 frames, I'll put it to 70, or if I want to start it at 65, just move this from 0 to 65, and it should start from there if I just watch this through again. There we go. And that looks pretty good. Okay, so if I just render out frame, you can see that the outline just moves around the text like that, and yeah, so I think this is animating done. So yeah, it's quite short. It's quite a short animation, but now we're going to render it out. So we're going to go to the render settings. We're going to put the width to 1280 and the height to 720, and that's HD. That's YouTube 720p HD. I'm going to set the frame range to all frames, and we're going to change the format to QuickTime Movie. If you don't have QuickTime Movie, AVI Movie is fine. I'm going to make sure you check Alpha Channel, and then I'm just going to select somewhere to save it quickly. Cinema 4D tutorials. Intro tutorial, and save this as intro. and then I'll be back when it's rendered out. So thanks for watching, guys, and next part I'll cover compositing in After Effects, and that should be quite a long tutorial as this one was pretty short. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.